In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most kind, by the permission of respectable founder, principal, headmaster, teachers, and dear students, first of all I want to offer the unforgettable gift of our dear Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is called from Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Nusrullah Saraf Asudullah, student of class 18 Al Kalim Private High School, Khost, Afghanistan. I want to say something about the education. Education is very important for everyone in for every country. Education is incumbent on both male and female. So Islam also recommends us to respond to learn education. Our dear Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, seek knowledge if it is in China. A person is educated and a person who is uneducated, there is a big contrast between them. We can finish ignorance from ourselves in from our country by education. But the education system of Afghanistan, if we compare it with foreign country, it is not well. So our government has responsibility to make and pay attention to this section. How your education is established to provide education and training of our children. As you know better that our country has need for education, so we must go to school and learn a lot to serve for Afghanistan. Thanks so much for your attention.